I always wake up before my alarm clock goes off. It's really annoying. It's probably because I got things on my mind, like the Assembly election today. I even dreamt about it last night. I was walking through town when I saw a bright neon sign that read, "For a better Wales." It's a big day today. Today we've got the opportunity to change our country for the better. That's Carol. She's worried that standards in schools have dropped over the last few years with Labour in charge of our children's education. Plaid Cymru would make sure that children leaving primary school would be able to read, write and count properly, to get the basics right, and make sure that they've got the best chance in life. That would get her vote, I'm sure. And this is my nan. Her health is pretty good, but when she's ill, she wants to make sure that she can see a doctor as soon as possible. Now, our health service is good, but it could be better. Plaid Cymru would make sure that you could see a doctor or a dentist when you need to. Now, that would get your vote, wouldn't it, Nan? This is my friend Spike. He's been out of work now for almost a year, which is a shame because he's a bloody good mechanic. People like Spike want to see small businesses grow and create decent new jobs. That's why Plaid plan to create 50,000 new jobs across Wales and help people like Spike with training and skills that they need to get back up on their feet. Plaid will also help small businesses grow with business loans and help with business rates too. That'd get your vote, wouldn't it?
This election is pretty simple, really. It's about who can transform Wales into the country we know it can be.
It's about choosing a party who will get the basics right.
Improving our education system and economy in the difficult years ahead. It's about the future of Wales.
Left alone, the London-based parties will continue to let Wales lag behind.
Plaid is the only party that will always put Wales first. If we want an ambitious Welsh government, now is the time to vote for it. Keep thinking about that dream I had last night. For a better Wales. Maybe it wasn't a dream after all.